Friday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. So no more signs of the coyote pack that I saw come through here and scared the girls that night. I used coyote urine, and I don't know if it's like a dominance thing or what, but they haven't been back. I'm okay with that. Well, hi, beautiful ladies. Look at my thickens. Well, I got a couple big girls over there. They got scraped, cleaned, and they're good. Tomorrow we got the deep freeze coming in. It's going to get down 28, 25, which is not a deep freeze. Everybody else is a lot colder, but I got the electric jacket started up. Well, there's my buddy. I came home from work at 2:30, came home early, got on the bed. He jumped up there and took a nap with me. Huh, bud? Took an hour-long nap with me. Didn't even move. I'm being a cool boy. All right, let's scoop the poop and get some eggs. Hi, guys. Uh-oh. We got a problem. The turd burglar came and stole your guys' poop. What happened? Cleaned out and fresh nesting material. I've got it set up to where everything's ready. We've got 3 days of really cold weather. So what I'm going to end up doing is this will stay warm. I'm not worried about that. I got to keep an eye on the Winchester coop. The girls can come in here even at 25 outside. It's going to stay above 45 in here, so I'm not too worried about that. We got the nesting boxes cleaned. We already got all the eggs. We got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 11 because one of them broke again. I did top off their calcium oyster shells, but just seems to be one that's doing it. It's 36 outside right now, and it's 49 degrees in here, so they'll be okay. That is one thick cat right there. A big boy. Not like Alice. Alice was just thick because she was chunky, but that boy's just solid. He's a solid mass. A good little fighter. Man, his temperature is dropping. Hi, guys. You got special treats? Get your butt up there. Get up there. Get up there. Your special treats tonight. These are normally the house treats. These are these Temptations lickable spoons. We got to keep these on heavy supply because this guy likes them. Try not to give them to him all the time, but he likes them. Looks like the light's out. I gotta fix that before I go to bed. Well, let's see if he's gonna act a fool. We kind of got into a disagreement. You booger. We kind of got into a disagreement the other night, and he wasn't gonna get treats anymore. Let's see what he does tonight. Threw it over your head that time, bud. My ladies. Up. Here comes Princess Buttercup, my grade A little piglet. Here you go, Mama. Mama loves her corn. There you go, Mama. They are a bunch of happy girls. There's Myrtle the turtle. Hi, baby. How you doing, Yeah, she got water belly. All right, let's grab some eggs. Oh, there's the sassy egg. That girl lays every time, man. She hasn't laid in a couple days, but she lays quite a bit for a 7-year-old hen. I think the bulb blew out finally after 4 years. There's my shadow walking in front of me again. I know it was working this morning. Why is the camera wire in my way? Yep, they got a flat screen in here. Like I say, this light lasted for quite a while. I think it was like 4 years. get this one started. There we go. There we go. What I like about this this run, these guys here, I leave this door open for all night. They wouldn't come out. Someone would get in, but they wouldn't come out. So, Skybridge coop does not have heat. The girls do it. It's well insulated. This one, if it drops below 30 degrees at night, no, 40 degrees at night, it will turn on and keep them above 40 degrees. Not heat it, just keep them from being frostbite. During the day, if it drops below 30, it will turn on and keep it up a little bit, just so the girls, if they do get cold, have a place to go. I know, chickens can handle anything, but my flock, my rules. Well, I'm gonna go get a fire going and enjoy this night. Tomorrow's gonna be hell. I've got my heated vest on. I've got face masks and stuff so I can go outside. Guaranteed it's gonna be below 30 a majority of the day. So on that note, y'all stay safe. Have an amazing night.